mean, I feel like the arch would be really cool. I mean, it's gonna be like a huge feature, so I get that it would be expensive, but...
Cabinet units, you know. The door hooks up to it, it would go right into the wall.
So
otherwise,
this would be a drawer?
It'll be like flat across.
Oh, good morning, everyone. We are kind of reevaluating some things on our layout. I think before you go into a build, it's easy to be overly ambitious.
It's like a cost-benefit analysis of like, you live in a home that looks like a home, but it's also a vehicle, so it has to like also be able to function as a vehicle. So there's a little give and take with that.
Lula,
Welcome.
good morning.
Oh, dude, do we not have any beans, bro?
We don't have any beans?
Bro.
I thought you were kidding.
What did I kid?
I don't know.
Why would I kid about that?
Good morning!
Oh, dude, there's really no beans left. And
Seth is peeing. ASMR. Are you done, sir? Pinch it off. Okay, back in business.
Just taking the little baby out for a quick little coffee run. The bag has been acquired. Yes, we're basic out here, and the baby is thriving. You guys may or may not remember Lewis, but Lewis is our 2004 T1N Sprinter right now. Oh, sorry. He's a little bit of a just work truck in general. He's a bit louder, a little rougher of a ride. I feel probably, yeah, there it is. Thanks.
I usually take the opportunity while I have the van to myself to just, you know, do the morning shuffle, put everything away that we left out overnight, and kind of just get the space ready for the day. Today we are going to be installing our divider wall. You saw us carpet the panels that will be facing in towards the cab. Seth did a full video for Patreon that goes a lot more in depth on this wall and, you know, sliding pocketed door system. A lot of it has 80/20 components. He's gonna link all the 80/20 components as well. All those links, if you're not already a part of our Patreon, it's $5 a month. And in addition to just kind of supporting us, you also are receiving some exclusive build content. So
Pull up on Patreon.
Pull up on Patreon. Oh my God. Oh my gosh, this one's heavy. Oh. So what we have here is Portola paints. This is the first van build where we will be doing a Roman clay finish. So it's gonna be a bit of a learning curve, but we will learn together. What we have here is the primer. So this is just like a paint primer that goes on your surfaces before you actually apply the Roman clay finish. And then we have the actual Roman clay finish. And then we have the sealer. And the sealer helps with waterproofing. It also helps with like scuffs. Hopefully that counts as shaking it. God, these things are like, oh, I can't even get this open. Are you kidding? Watch out. Hey, 1, 2, 3. Ah! All right, well, okay, that's enough, thank you. I've watched a few videos on how to do this, but for the most part, we're gonna wing it. Apply it on the edges, oh my God. And then you do like little scraping motions.
Yeah, you kind of cut it on really thin.
We are kind of starting to get a glimpse as this dries. We've got the second coat on, and oh my gosh, I'm so excited. This looks so good.
Just had a little visitor come out to greet us from the nap.
Woke up from a long nap. I love these ladies. You ladies are so perfect.
Oh my goodness.
Hi, you joining us on the build today. We've got both ladies. Oh, bye. This is my favorite part of our workshop. The time has come. We're tired of waiting around, so whether or not this is dry,
It's dry.
Whether or not this is dry, we are going to seal it all up with the top coat. Just to give a rundown, again, we did the ultra flat acrylic, 2 coats of that. Then we went in with the Roman clay, 2 coats of that. And now we are going in with the Roman clay sealer, 2 coats of that. No. What did you get on your paws? What did you, oh my God. Let me see your paw.
She looks nice. Looks really nice. Wow.
Okay, everyone, it is fully nighttime here, and we still have not installed this divider wall. But it's okay. We'll get there tomorrow. And I know we keep saying that, but you know, the door took a little longer than expected, but we do have the door.
So this is, I'll say, highly theoretical, but we are going to Roman clay our entire shower and kind of give it a towel deck type look. It's going to be done on top of Curdy board, but part of that is that the door also needs to be waterproof. And you can see water now will bead up and run off of the surface. And our shower is not going to be like a stand underneath shower off type shower. It's going to be a hose with a sprayer. We have a convertible shower in our van right now. It works really well for us. So we're kind of going to carry that over, but have the bathroom element as well. And so I think that for that, this kind of very theoretical application of the Roman clay will work well.
With that done, fingers crossed we will actually get to installing this divider wall in the van tomorrow. So we will catch you tomorrow.
Oh wow. Courtesy of the ladies.
Good morning.
It's 4:58 in the morning and we are up.
We've just decided they ripped down the window covers, and so we figure we'll just get up. Lord knows we need to get this wall installed. So
we really do. It's been days now.
Here's culprit number 1, and there's culprit number 2. Happy as little clams now that they have their windows.
Yep.
Would you like some coffee at 5 a.m. this morning?
Yes, please.
Oh, dude. The pillows are all up in the litter box. Disgusting.
Oh, ladies. doing okay?
You are, ma'am.
Oh, thank you. Your feet are all dirty.
Lay in my weary body rest.
You're-
Heavy, please.
Look at all this trash you're bringing into the bed.
Are you happy you woke us up? They are. So what's on the agenda, baby?
No. To the window. To the wall.
Oh, hey!
I didn't know we had two.
Oh, hi!
Hi. It's so weird having two cats. When we only had Lula, like, we were cat people.
Bro, we've taken a dive off the deep end since we got another one. It just happens to
Yeah.
be
We're like
full cat dad vibes.
those cat people.
Get up.
It's time to get
You
up.
woke us up. No napping on the job. All ladies, report for duty.
She's ready.
You know whose job that is. You coming to work?
Yeah, they can work.
Oh, you're coming to work too? All right, come on. Let's get your bag. Come on, baby. Come on. Get in. And I'm off. What a beautiful morn.
Just you and me, baby. Just a little something. Okay. That's the extent of my skincare. Treat. Don't tell Sasha. Here. Here you go. You're fine. You're fine. Look at the big world. Yes, sir.
Thank you, man. Huh?
How's it going?
Whoa, it's going. Oh yeah, she's nice. She's smooth. Obviously there'll be a handle on here, which will make it significantly easier to open.
Got the wall done.
It's never done.
It's further along than it was. So next we're gonna be constructing the shower, which that is going to be a massive undertaking. We've never actually done a full shower in this location, and we haven't done too many full showers.
This is also a very weird location for a
Yeah.
full shower. I'll say that. You've got two doors, you got a waterproof, you've got this whole wall system that really complicates the whole install. So I wouldn't recommend doing this. I'm not really sure why we're doing this, but
We're gonna get to constructing this shower. Wish us luck.
build check-in. Oh, the bill just hit today.
It just hit. I'm like so exhausted. I can't
Yeah,
even.
it's like hard to speak. We're framing this stuff behind us, so we're working on the shower, working on finishing the door panels, finishing all this wall stuff.
Mental gymnastics is really what it is. That's what building a van is. We're gonna head out to the van. I think we're gonna order Chinese food or something because we're super tired, and just go to bed. And then I think tomorrow we're actually just gonna have like an admin day. We're gonna get the shop cleaned, catch up on some emails, do laundry. Like there's a lot of things that get put off. So I think we're gonna take a day tomorrow to regroup, but we will catch you, hopefully wrap up some of these projects and get, I would say get moving, but we've been moving.
Get moving.
We've been doing that. So
Yeah.
we'll see you soon.